is like a belief that if you don't believe, then believe on me. Ay,
Malalim
may
nun.
masabi lang.
Ang lalim nun.
Yun na, steal na naman. Adrian Nucom, favorite. Yung mga ganyang
Ganda.
galawan. Mahusay.
Really love the energy in the tempo for Raynor Shine. It's paying dividends as of now, no?
Yes, Mason Amos drives a good pass there
Ganda.
to Raven Cortez.
Down by 9 points, I guess, no? So, but still, they're putting their head down, still trying to, gusto pa rin humabol, no? They're still working.
They want to give to their import all of the offensive plays and their import as well. Sharing the ball like that. Uno, dos, tres. Coming from Andre Carakot.
Po,
And Cortez misses.
yun, wide open.
Nako na naman. Fuller this
Slam it down.
time.
Oh, nabitawan.
Nabitawan yung bola. Austria for 3.
That's a meek response from Austria.
Yun na naman. How can you pull B?
Nako.
Ayun.
I mean, De La Salle needs to... Oh, nako! Bad fall.
It is a bad fall. Buti na lang may wood tile. Pag Marty Montoya at Kenny Halig, so they are the PBA referees. In PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall, no? On the sitting beside Coach Miggy Solitaria. Dongo patay! Phillips na naman! At nabuhayan ang LaSalle fans dito. Sinasabi natin, Coach, no, the Filipino loves and they're entertained with those kind of jams.
Yan. Yun ang matindi, Coach. Napakaganda. Still, 2 points yun.
Yeah,
no?
basic.
Ito namang si Keith Dato, hindi nga kagandahan yung tira, yung layup niya, but still, 2 points. May
Of the 3-point shot or 3-point barrage na meron itong player na to.
Kaliwete, Coach.
Yeah, he's a good defender as well.
Yes.
Marasigan Boris for 3. Bang! Good chance points. Kevin Kiambao kontra Dato. Kiambao pull-up jumper.
Oh, the hustle play from Phillips. Basket is good and one.
Basket down for Mike Phillips.
What a good effort from Mike.
Overs from Raynor Shine.
Yes, definitely. Now here comes Escandor. He drives. They gave it to Anton Asistio.
Ba, tinamaan. Basket is good. Wow.
B. Dato. Early offense. Asistio pulls up 3.
Oh.
But there is a foul. Well, that's a good run, no?
Talino na mga batang to.
Yep, that's right.
Isang klase bang laro, no?
10-point lead for the Raynor Shine Elasto Painters and they're in a penalty.
3 shots for.
Pero tatlong free throw yun eh.
Nasa first quarter pa tayo, Coach, right?
Yep, that's right. It's a
Look at the
high-scoring
score.
game.
Yes, yes.
You know, ito Anton Asistio is having a crowd challenge. They love the players of LaSalle, na Davao Wendy's.
Right. Yeah, ganun talaga tayo eh. Mahilig sa underdogs. Yes,
Yan.
yes.
The Filipino style.
May boot tapos may yes, no? Ibang klase talaga. I mean, Davao Wendy's are having fun here, no?
Yes, definitely. And they're enjoying.
Napatawa mo si Coach, tumatawa nga eh.
3 out of 3. Yan yung mga binibigyan ng thrill.
Yes. Light moments here at
Yep.
the USEP Gym.
Here comes Kiamba.
Oh, rejected. In your face.
Possession stays.
Yep, good defense.
After this quarter, Coach, no, Coach Tropex will definitely adjust. I mean, for him, his level of coaching, this will be unacceptable for him. Giving up.
No, Masling his way. Dungo fakes. Michael Phillips wants to drive.
Strong move.
Nabitawan pa.
Grabe to si Phillips. Oh, basket. It does.
Basket
Papasok talaga, no?
Yes.
Tatango-tango na, oh. Yes, sir. Pasok.
Imao. Eto, napunta ng UP. And now back to Lasal. Big Bo, Belga.
May iling-iling si Triple B. Bend your knees, Bo.
Di kailangan.
Drop, lock, and lift. Bo.
There you go.
Oh.
Yun
Yun, better. O, sabi na. Inaasar pa yung mga tao dito, no?
Yes, that's right. 32. Well, good defense, but Gian Mamuyak is there. Shine, early offense. Pasok na naman.
Basket is good for Gian Mamuyak. As you could see, no? Medyo
Balls in jersey.
hindi doing now. Setting off screens.
Oh,
Yun. That would be easy. Pay a score sa 2-1 press nila.
yes, now here comes the handoffs. Villena. There you go. Oh! Slam!
Monster Jam for Mike Phillips. Yun, no?
Abadam for 3.
Oh, yes, sir. Ayun na po.
Miss it this time.
The crowd ready to erupt there.
Yes, there you go. Gian Mamuyak. A transition. And there you go. Andre Caragot.
Basket is good. Coach Omar Ramirez. He has been my coach in the college level before, but also Coach Butch Ramirez, the former.
Bad. Now here comes Andre Caragot. Kili-kili shot. Ogana kontra Gian Mamuyak. At pasok pa.
That's a bad angle for
Together, you know, in this ball game. Pero yun na naman, basket count na naman para kay Gian Mamuyak. Now this is Lasal, Matt Rubico.
Trubico.
In a rookie state.
parang veterano na talaga maglaro, no?
Yes, eto naman, Andre Caragot kicks it out to Mamuyak for 3s.
Yes, sir.
Amos for 3.
Yes.
Bang!
Much needed 3 from
Here comes Fuller, basket count.
Down for Aaron Fuller.
A good steal there by Gian Clarito. Fuller. Ayan na naman, basket count.
ang ginagawa ng ano yan, coach, yung Duke, no?
Basket down
Euro
for
ball screen.
Clarito.
Pati ng
Shine. What is something that they are doing differently?
Osmokum and utilizing the power of course Aaron. Get back on this game.
Yes, that's right, Coach Solo. And now here we go. We're seeing the pressure defense still no, ng Lasal, but Jonard Clarito is not, you know, change.
Mix things up, no?
Yep.
Andre.
Bilis ng mata mo, coach.
Amos.
Ay, nako.
Another transition play dito. They gave it to Kuya Jonard, but here we go. Andre Caragot.
Caraco.
Rain or shine, punishing De La Salle for not getting back.
Another turnover for Lasal. If you don't run, then they will run for you.
Yes, yes.
Makalalag. Binigay kay Abadam. Abadam, pull-up jumper. Yes, sir.
Salito, then probably they could be.
Back in game.
Yeah.
Bo
Triple B.
Belga.
Oh, flying kiss to the basketball gods.
Here's Coach Cholo. What happened in the first half? Let us talk about the statistics. What went well for the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters for the
Shine has been tremendous in the first half, led by Aaron Fuller with 21 points, 6 rebounds and 2 assists with 1 steal. Turnovers, no? Itong Rain or Shine has 11 steals in the first half. Imagine that. So ang daming agaw po, points off turnovers, leading this ball game with a huge margin.
Yes, that's 16 turnovers. That's huge for the DLSU. Speaking of that,
Unfortunately, hindi nga lang pumapasok. But you can see, he is really trying. But now, pumapasok na.
yes, that's a good attack there by Kevin Kiambasan.
Agusan.
Yun pala. Yan, shoutout Diyos niya, mga taga-Agusan.
Yes, kila pare Cyrus, Boss Lloyd.
Grabe, no? A good
Here we
pass.
go. Oh, almost.
A good defense by Abadam. It was almost a slam. Here comes
Bah!
basket count.
For King Dato.
Position for Lasal.
Uh-oh. Buti na lang, hindi tumama. Grabe to siya, no? Austria really not backing down.
Yeah, he almost throw the ball to Bo. For Lasal, they have 10 seconds winding down in the shot clock. Boris Marasigan, jumper.
Boris Marasigan.
Nila
Steal. Yun, Matt Rubico misses that shot.
may dalawang isip siya. That's si Big Bo sa baba.
Duo.
Oh!
A good shot by Troy Duo.
They need.
Now, Lasal still has it, coach.
Correct. I think we mentioned this in the first half, no? Ano pa pwede gagawin ng De La Salle? Make Big Bo a scorer. I mean, let him take him the outside.
Yeah.
Challenge him to take that outside shot.
Wow. For
Right.
DLSU. Two 3-point shot. Dungo and Kiambao.
Oh,
Easy shot.
Adrian Dato.
pamatay sunog yun. Yung laban, di pa tapos yung laro.
Yes, Gian Mamuyak attacking.
Yun.
KQ. Matt Rubico. He attacks Kit Datu. Here comes Kevin Kiambao. Grown a lot in terms of basketball. Rubico. There you go.
Eh na.
And back.
Sisimulang mag-ingay yung mga tao
Yes,
dito.
shouting defense.
Bah.
Yan nga lang, Belga. Not this time.
Oh, ayan na.
Kita mo na. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Kuya John Nard yan eh.
Oh, kumagat eh.
Yes.
Try to challenge him to shoot the outside. And that's his game.
And he's a one-hander shooter, remember?
Yeah. Yes,
Even
yes.
in his free throws,
True.
right?
Oh.
Boris Marasigan. Yes, match yung pagtanaw. Now, CJ Goliena this time. EJ Goliena rather. Grabe.
Of course, you have Boss Roy Villaflor, Madam Ching, Mamu.
Anton Aziz.
Is being hassled by Ramiro. Grabe, kinatawan. And you see that
Very smart playing.
stare down. Cortez.
Raven Cortez.
Yeah, ngayon may pangalan, finding ways to create for his teammate. Another zoom play. Ramiro on the corner fires. There you go. Pasok. And there comes Gabe Norwood drives to keep Tatu. No, haven't taken any shots in the fourth quarter.
Correct.
Wants to use a series of screens.
Ganda.
Raven Cortez from Liga Ramiro.
Huling araw na to ng event natin sa Kadayawan.
Yeah, I'm sure isang instruction ni Coach Topex dito. Just cut down the lead. Dahan-dahan ninyo.
Ayan.
Grabe. Pasok na naman.
Ano? Bronny. There you go. Misses that shot. Another putback by Mason Amos. Time. They gave it to Boris Marasigan. He fakes the handoff attack.
Boris Marasigan.
There you go. Another post move. There you go. Fade away. But Andre Carakot. That drives.
2 points.
DJ Austria.
The poker face. Definitely Buenaventura. They dump it inside to Mason Amos. So, I'm pretty sure both teams here. Here comes Fuller this time.
Ganda.
Abadam spins. Wow! Step back, jumper, pasok. Basketball. The brand of basketball that we have. Really, no? It's good to see. Surprisingly, dati 138. Congratulations to the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters for the